Okay, today topic, Assalamu alaikum. So today topic is going to be why does a stop loss get skipped? There's an instance where you kind of set a stop loss. When you set the stop loss, you end up seeing that, oh no, I have a stop loss, but they didn't take it away. Now, before we get into the detail of why that happens, come on Discord. I would recommend you to click on the top right of the video and come to giveaway booth and drop a heart. Okay, I would actually like you to drop a heart. That means that you support the contents that I'm creating. That's all. Now the thing is that, let's get into it. If we go into Bitcoin chart just a while ago, and this is going to apply for the future movement and whatever is happening. Now we saw a very big wick of Bitcoin coming down like this. And in this wick, now let's say for example, you are buying at $62,000, right? So I do hope you get along with me. You bought at 62,000. You had a stop at 60,000 when Bitcoin, I mean, your liquidation is right over here. Let's say, for example, 58,946. But Bitcoin ends up doing something like it skips that stop loss at 60,500 and goes all the way down to 59,000, and then you wonder, why didn't my stop get taken away even though Bitcoin kind of came here? Now let's look at how this is working, probably even on the 5 minutes time frame. So let's look at it this way. Okay, even on the 5 minutes time frame, this was a very big wick. Do you see that? And then if you kind of look at it even in the 1 minute time frame, this one is also kind of skipping, and this was just a very big sell-off. Okay, so under the hood, how does this happen? And under the hood, it means that when the prices are being set, how do the prices set itself? Now, when a coin is dropping down, whenever the coin drops from, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just consider the very simplest number, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then you have the 5. Now let's say you have your stop loss at 4.5 right over here. Okay, the coin is trading at 1 and it comes down, and you think, oh yeah, it should have taken it at 4.5, but it actually doesn't take it, and then it goes to 5, and all of a sudden, or even you can say that you had your stop loss at 3, okay, and it was at 1. When it was coming down, it went to 5. Oh, but what about the 3? The stop loss didn't get taken away. Now, crypto doesn't really work like that. Consider the buy bidding and the sellers or the buyers, whatever. So you have the order book in which everyone has certain number, okay? Some people want to buy Bitcoin at number 4. Some people want to buy Bitcoin at number 5. They want to buy Bitcoin at number 2. But there's no one who is willing to buy Bitcoin at number 3. No one is willing to buy Bitcoin at number 3. So what happens is Bitcoin doesn't go step by step. Like, it doesn't go 1 and then goes to 2 and then goes to 3 and then goes to 4 and then goes to 5. Instead, the price may just jump all the way down to 5. So it never really touched 3. That's why your stop loss doesn't get taken away. It doesn't touch 3. It may touch 3.3 actually, if that makes sense. It may just go from 1 to skip 3 and come to 3.3 because someone is willing to buy at 3.3, but no one is willing to buy at number 3. Okay, and someone may be willing to buy at 4.5, but no one is willing to buy at number 4. And that's why when you when you're going to set your stop losses, a lot of people do the following, because on a stop loss you have 2 boxes. Number 1 is the stop itself, and number 2 is the limit itself. So if you are going to set like, oh, my stop loss is at 4, I guess, right? So you may want to set it at 4.5, and the second limit is going to be number 4. Basically, you're saying if it ever skips this number, then take it at this number, and vice versa. So I hope this one makes a lot of sense. It's a little bit technical, but that's the simplest that I can actually do. So your stop loss gets skipped away because people are not willing to buy at the very same stop that you have in the order book. And that's all for the video. Hope this one helps.